Phoenix as a company we started off 9 years back looking at providing service for customers. In the last 9 years we would have had roughly about 1.5 lakh customers who have actually bought either bikes from us, or they have actually bought cars from us, or they've bought apartments from us, or they've taken office spaces from us. With all this in view, our own clients in view, we started thinking about diversifying ourselves into variety of spaces. Even though we started off with automobile industry, we went into real estate because that was what we started off way back 25 years ago as a family business. In the last 9 years, we would have done roughly about 6 million square feet of construction in variety of fields like retail, commercial office spaces, IT spaces, or the residential development. And now presently as Phoenix we are working on almost about 30 million square feet of construction in all verticals of real estate, including hotels. We are working on about 8 hotels in Hyderabad city alone, ranging from 2-star hotels to 5-star hotels, working with all international brands, creating hospitality as one of our destination things so that we can really associate with hospitality services and to be able to provide the right kind of service for customers. In all of our future residential projects, we intend to actually construct, deliver, manage and operate for customers so that they don't see that the developer has just constructed, delivered and run away. We really intending to actually hold back and sort of maintain these buildings forever and sort of do it at a cost which is going to be beneficial for customers. We bring in the benefit of large sums. We are talking about 5,000 to 10,000 apartments that we are constructing in the next 4 to 5 years. All these big numbers are giving us benefits of bringing in efficiency in providing better service to customers, and this is what we are actually taking up as a strategy. In terms of IT office spaces, we are delivering more than about 10 million square feet of office spaces for clients, mostly on build to suit facilities, majorly pre-marketing our spaces to clients and then sort of delivering these buildings, giving a scope of growing number of resources in each one of these cities that we are growing in. This is our profile as a company, and Golf Edge is one of our premium projects that we are starting off to provide ultimate comfort for customers, making them understand the benefit of living in a place where every service is going to be provided at a low cost and the services are going to be creating an experience of life for you. We intend to actually deliver this project within 3 years. This project specifically deals with the best possible infrastructure. We are talking about a 5-star hotel within the campus. We are talking about the 5-star hotel running the clubhouse of these apartments, and we are talking about fully fitted out spaces, including the equipments like dishwashers, washing machines, light fixtures, everything inside the place being done by us. And we are going to be maintaining every single aspect of the house, including housekeeping, vessel cleaning, everything, and we'll be doing it at such a throwaway cost at 4 rupees per square feet per month, including the cost of all maintenance, including the common area maintenance. These are the benefits with which we are coming in. We've started construction and hoping to deliver by 2014 March. We are planning to invest about 350 crores for this particular project. We are looking at investing about 2,000 crores in all of the construction that we are doing in terms of commercial, hotels, residential and retail areas within the next 4 to 5 years. More than about 14 projects that we are working on right now. Like I said, 8 hotels, 3 malls that we are doing, and more than about 4 commercial IT spaces that we are developing. We are working in Hyderabad and Chennai. Maybe in the near future, we will be looking at getting into other cities. In AP, we will get into the tier 2 and tier 3 cities as well.